Florida probate litigation, Florida estates, and people who don't live in the United States. How do you deal with foreigners and get service of process served on people who don't live in America? Hello, my name is John P.L.L.C. I'm a Florida probate lawyer with the P.L.C. law firm in West Palm Beach. We handle trials, appeals, disputes, and mediations involving wills, trusts, estates, guardianships, and related commercial and business litigation. So let's say you have a Florida probate or a Florida estate, and there's some litigation that you're involved in. Maybe somebody has sued the estate, or maybe the estate has a cause of action and the personal representative or the executor of the Florida estate needs to sue somebody to enforce some rights or get some money or get some damages. What do you do if one of the defendants resides outside of the United States? How do you serve that person with process so that they can legally be given notice and an opportunity to be heard and be hauled into a Florida state court? Florida trial lawyers talk about these procedures as the service of process. Florida probate litigators also refer to that term. But what's important to understand is that under Florida law, you have to comply with the Florida Rules of Civil Procedure, as well as the Hague Convention, right? An international law about bringing people who are outside your country, into a courtroom in the country, so that they can participate in the trial. In Florida, probate lawyers know a lot about the guardianship code, the trust code, the Florida probate rules, and Florida estate law. Florida probate litigators and Florida probate litigation law firms need to know about the rules of civil procedure as well as evidence in addition to probate law. So what do you do if you have to sue somebody who's not in Florida? Well, you might look at a recent case from 2014 from Florida's 2nd District Court of Appeal. The main title is SDS-IC. S as in Sam, D as in dog, S as in Sam, -IC, indigo cap. This was a 2014 case that was actually had its appellate opinion issued on January 30th, 2015 by Florida's 2nd District Court of Appeal. And it discusses this issue of what to do to serve somebody validly under the Hague Convention in Florida law. The case number is 2D, 2nd District 14-3551, and you can actually read a free copy of this opinion at the website for Florida's 2nd District Court of Appeal by scrolling through opinions. Florida probate litigation. You not only have to know about probate, estate, and trust law, you also need to know about litigation tactics and strategies, the Florida Rules of Civil Procedure, and how to serve somebody who may not live in America. My name is John P.L.C., and this concludes this topic on Florida estate and inheritance litigation.